Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up web camera in Discord application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Discord application, and first of all, we need to go to the Discord setting. You can click on the setting icon, and then you have to go to the video and voice setting. This one, you can click on this menu and you can scroll down until you find the camera option. Wait, okay, this one, and you can set up your camera right here. This is my default camera, and I'm going to click on it, and we can also choose video background for our video. You can choose blur, custom, or there are some backgrounds you can use for your video. And you can also test your video to take a look at the preview. Okay, I'm just going to use this background. Okay, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to set up camera in Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.